Welcome to On the Beat, everyone. I'm Troy Thompson. Joining me today is Chuck Easley from Easley Law Firm. And today we're talking all about uncontested versus contested divorces in the state of Mississippi. We asked you at home to send us some questions to ask our expert. Welcome to the show, my friend.
Thank you.
Nice to see you again. You ready for the hot seat?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, some of our viewers wrote in because they may be having some of these concerns themselves. When talking to an attorney about obtaining a divorce in the state of Mississippi, what do I need to ask?
First thing, you need to make sure you want a divorce. Marriage is a lot of marriages are long term, some are short. But marriage, you put a lot of love and effort into a marriage. You need to make sure you want a divorce.
And this is the right thing to do, yeah.
That's right, because lawyers are supposed to counsel you when you come in like that and tell you need to be sure. And contested divorce and uncontested divorce are two different things.
Right.
A uncontested divorce is commonly called a no-fault divorce. It's on irreconcilable differences. You have to agree to everything, all the terms of it, but the parties just don't want to live together anymore.
It's done.
They're done. You know, you live with somebody, you're married to them 5, 10 years down the road, you turn around, that's not the same person you married. You're matured, they've matured.
You've changed.
That's right.
That's just a nice way of putting it.
Okay, change.
What's the difference between contested then?
Contested can be real nasty. You have to have grounds for a contested divorce. Usually it's cruel and inhuman treatment or adultery or drug problem or drinking problem.
Okay.
There's some others, but that's it. And you have to prove the grounds for a contested divorce. Uncontested, you don't have to prove anything.
Right. You just agree to separate.
That's right.
Do both husband and wife have to agree to getting a divorce? That's interesting.
No. I've had several people in the last year that one of the parties didn't want a divorce and the other party wanted to file a divorce. Well, in that case, you have to file a contested divorce and you have to sue the party that doesn't want the divorce.
Interesting. What if they cannot agree on the terms of the divorce? Whoever sent these questions in must be having a problem.
Sounds like it. Well, it can't be an uncontested divorce. But there is a thing that I've done in the last few years on a contested divorce. We'll agree before the divorce hearing to go off on irreconcilable differences. That way, at the end of the hearing, you're going to be divorced. You have what is a consent agreement, and you lay out the issues the judge is to do: custody, child support, division of property. You can go into an agreement, and the judge decides those issues.
Okay, so it's taken out of your hands.
That's right.
Okay, saves. Don't argue. Let's just get it all sorted. That's the best policy, right?
Takes a lot of fight out of it.
Yeah, I agree. Okay, what would a husband and wife not agree on the terms of the divorce? Why?
Men usually think they're paying too much child support.
Oh, okay.
Women don't think they're getting enough child support.
Oh, okay.
They fight over custody. They fight over visitation, division of property. But this is not a common law or community law state like California. This is an equitable division law case, state. So basically, it's the same thing.
Okay.
Courts are going to split the assets down the middle.
I've got 30 seconds left. What would you say to someone who's watching at home who may be considering a divorce? What's one bit of advice you can give them before doing anything?
Think hard about it. Make sure you want this divorce, because you've put a lot of love and effort into this marriage. So before you walk away, and especially if you have children,
maybe get some counseling.
You know, I always recommend if you have doubts, get counseling.
Yeah, I appreciate you.
Thank
you so much. If you want to find out more information, there it all is up on the screen for you. We've been talking all about uncontested versus contested divorce from Easley Law Firm. Back after this short break.